Hello, we're glad to have you on Extreme Research Media, celebrating the wonders of life and learning every day. Please, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and remember also to subscribe to our channel. Stay with us because we have some really exciting stuff coming your way. This week, history was made on social media. A new species of parasitic fungi was discovered from Twitter. So we did our own research to find out what people are doing on social media, and what we found was a bitter truth. Before you found this video, what were you doing on social media? This is what we found out about what some other people are doing. So many people go to social media to find content that will make them laugh. Some of them go to social media to hunt down the latest celebrity gossip, probably to make them feel less bad about their own shortcomings. Yeah, I don't have a problem with that. Some people need to put their conscience to sleep sometimes, don't they? Some others go to social media to bash government. All they want to do is attack government officials. They even don't mind attacking their own fellow victims. That's how bad it gets. It makes them feel good, it makes them feel powerful. Others, however, use social media for research, like this guy, Derek Hennen, a PhD student at Virginia Tech. He promised to send pictures, beautiful pictures of bugs, to anybody who voted in the US midterm elections. Imagine that. My friends, strange things happen in the mind of PhD students. So I had to go to Derek's page on Twitter and searched until I found this update, this tweet that started it all. A millipede image reward for one Kendall Davis who just reported to Derek that she had voted. It might not mean much to you, but there was one woman who couldn't take her eyes off it. Her name, Anna Sophia Rebolyra. Her name sounds actually like a botanical name. Like a scientific name. This woman found out that this particular organism had fungal infection. Excuse me. I looked at the same picture and I thought that those spots were just millipede birthmarks. Rebolyra did not stop there. She formed a research group to investigate her observation, and today we have it. A new organism called Troglomyces twitteri, the first organism that is named after a social media platform, ladies and gentlemen. So, back to our initial question. What exactly are you doing on social media? We may not know the answer, but there are things we know for sure based on our research. The first thing is that whether you like to accept it or not, the fact is that the social media platforms are like huge laboratories. You are like a volunteer lab rat. You are a volunteer lab rat. Experiments are being conducted on you. The data that you generate are being carefully analyzed. They are also monetized. You have only three options since you are already here. It's either you make history by creating strong positive impacts, or you make money, or you just go ahead and continue making noise that make other people rich. Thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful day.